Namaste students, Khush Raw Bitia. I, JP and Dr. Vaichandrakala, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the difference between the prokaryotic cells and the eukaryotic cells. The internal organization of a eukaryotic cells is more developed than the prokaryotic cells, from which they believed to be evolved. So the prokaryotic cells is surrounded by a single layer membrane, whereas in eukaryotic cells is surrounded by a double membrane layer. Okay. In case of the cell wall surrounded by the plasma membrane, and it is composed of its carbohydrate, lipid, protein and certain amino acids. The cell wall is present in the protist, most fungi and the plants, and it composed of chitin in most of the fungi and are cellulose in others. The respiratory enzymes are present on the cell membrane. The absence of the cell membrane in the eukaryotic cells. The thylakoid occurs freely in a cytoplasm, whereas they occur within a chloroplast. In prokaryotic cells, the cytoplasm lacks the organelles like centrosome, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, or the microfilaments, intermediate filaments or the microtubules, and the macro bodies, which ribosomes are present. All the cell organelles are present in the cell along with the ribosome. So no gas vacuoles may be occur while the SAM vacuoles are absent. The SAP vacuoles are commonly present in the eukaryotes. 70S ribosomes are present that lies free in the cytoplasm or attached to the mRNA. So the 80S ribosomes are present either free or bounded to the endoplasmic reticulum and nuclear envelope or a mRNA. The endocytosis and exocytosis do not occur in the prokaryotic cells, whereas these processes take place in many protists and in animals in the eukaryotic cells. So the process of meiosis or the gamete formation or a true fertilization do not occur in the prokaryotic cells, whereas in the eukaryotic cells, in this the cell of the process of the meiosis, gamete formation and true fertilization occur in case of the sexual reproduction. Cells are haploid and cells are diploid, while the haploid cells also occur. The nuclear envelope is present, absent, and the nuclear material lies in the cytoplasm and in the cell nucleoid. The nucleoid contains a single chromosome. The nuclear envelope surrounded by the nuclear membrane and the structure is called the nucleus. And it contains two of or many chromosomes. The nucleolus is absent and one or more nuclei are present within the nucleus. The circular DNA is present within the associated protein, whereas the nuclear DNA is linear and is associated with the protein, while in extranuclear DNA is present without protein. The flagella, if present, are simple, consist of the single fibril and are formed of a protein flagellae. Flagella, if present, are complex, have a 9+2 pattern of microtubules formed of the protein tubulin. The plasmid and the pili occurs in many prokaryotic cells. These structures are absent. Most prokaryotes are asexual organism, whereas most of them are sexual organism in the eukaryotes. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, please write down in the comment box. We'll resolve it in the problem solving session. Thank you.